Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I'm Muhammad Naim and you are watching Turab Tech. Today we are going to talk about did Apple just sneak a secret fix into your iPhone? And you will see on my screen phone iOS 26.61 and iOS 7.10 are here, but it's not about new feature. It's about protecting your private data from hidden bugs. And you will see what type of things is Apple released in these updates. Apple has released this update this Monday morning and for all iPhone users with the usual inclusion of security fixes, making it a must install for your iPhones. While Apple is constantly beta testing its iOS 27 generation operating system, it's still shipping updates to its earlier release that includes the current generation version. On Monday, as a part of its suite of releases, Apple issued its update for iOS 26.6.1. The update, which it rolled out, as a the release candidate on August 10, can be downloaded to an iPhone running iOS 26.6 or earlier. It also brought out updates for its other operating systems like iOS 26.61 is build number 23G83 and iPad 26.61 is build 23G83 and iOS 18.7.10 is build 22H374, Vision OS 26.1 and iPad 18.7.10 is also released. The updates includes what Apple characterizes as security fixes, which is a regular item for regular use, and gradual updates such as this. We are still waiting for Apple to share the list of updates in these releases. But if we see the updates, this update provides security fixes for your iPhone. And for more information on the security content of Apple software update and visit the website. But the iOS 26.6 before releases update had more than 75 security fixes, and with the recent death of AI-based discoveries on Monday, just under a month following the arrival of security-focused iOS 26.61, Apple made its iOS 26.61 available to the general public. The latter includes over 75 security enhancements, 14 of which addresses kernel-related vulnerabilities. 10 of the new patched kernel issues to allow apps to trigger unexpected system terminations, while others lets apps access sensitive user data and write kernel memory. Apple resolved these issues through improved memory handling and memory management, state bound checks, and more. If we analyze iOS 26.6 fixes that keep your data safe, additionally prevent attackers from using iPhone mirroring to access sensitive user data, as an accessibility issues was also resolved in this update. If we talk about how iOS 26.6 stopped apps from gaining root access, is also prevented with physical access to locked devices can't again user data, as the company fixed to DriverKit and Wi-Fi issues. Safari and WebKit fix in iOS 26.6 also. So Mondays iOS updates also stopped app from using WebKit issues to escape their sandbox. In total, iOS 26.6 contains 8 WebKit fixes meant to keep your data safe while browsing the web. If we talk about older iPhones like older iPhone XS Max and iPhone XS and XR also has new update iOS 18.7.10. This updates provides bug fixes and security upgrades for your iPhone. For more information on security content or Apple software updates, both updates are released this Monday from Apple company to all iPhone users. So it's instantly all users should be updated now because Apple has released these updates for iPhone and iPad model that did not receive the iOS 26 update last year. If you have an iPhone XR, XS, iPhone XS Max or 10.2-inch iPad 8th generation, then you can head over to the software update section of your device and install the over the air. You also have the option to use the official iOS 18.7.10 has low memory and low MBs. So then you can add over the software updates. You also have the option to use the official iOS 18.7.10. This is the downloader links that have been shared on your iPhone or if you have iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, into go to setting, channel and software updates, easily find the update. This update also released on 17 August 2026 deliver essential security patches and bug fixes for older legacy iPhones such as iPhone X, XS Max and XR. Did not support newer major iOS version. So in this content, what's new? If we find iPhone mirroring state management patches and issues where an attackers with physical access might access sensitive user data during iPhone mirroring, airdrop input validation, resolve reachable session via improved input validation to prevent potential network-based channel of service impacts. If we talk about backported patches, incorporates crucial background stability enhancement and vulnerability mitigation spectrum from newer iOS development branches. If we will know new feature, none. This is a strictly maintenance and security issues. No new feature and devices stuck on iOS 18, iPhone X, XR and XS Max just also receive such type of update, and this update includes only security fixes and bug fixes also. And if you have older iPhone, then you should download it and update now this update immediately because Apple released this update also for older iPhone users. So this is the overview of all the updates we talk about today, like iOS 26.61 and iOS 18.7.10 for older iPhone users. So this is the updates you should install immediately on your iPhones if we're running latest version iOS 26 or older iPhone, iPhone XS Max, XR and XS. You should immediately update now. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.